Hello students, this is your online maths class, myself Swati. Yes, today we are doing exercise 4.3, class 9, chapter 4, that is linear equation in two variables, exercise 4.3. Okay, if you are seeing my video, then please subscribe my channel because I can see many students have not subscribed it yet. So please subscribe so that you can get the proper notification of the whatever video I am uploading. Okay. Yes, exercise 4.3 we are starting. There is no theory because the theory is just related to 4.2 only, and that theory we already have completed. Okay, what is the question? The question is draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. There are four parts. I am doing the first part of it. X plus y equal to 4. So students, what you have to do is you have to find three solutions of this equation. Find three solutions of this equation, given equation that I think you already have done in exercise 4.2. So how I will find? Okay, first of all you make a box over here. How many solutions I have to find? I have to find three solutions of x and y. So this is first, second and third. Okay, I will assume case 1, you can assume, okay, that if x is equal to 0, I'm assuming x as a 0. So 0 plus y will be equal to 4. So can I say y from here will be 4? Just put this value in the box. If x you are taking 0, then y will be 4. Okay. Now I'm taking case 2. Okay. Case 2. If y equal to 0. In first case, I have taken x0. In second case, I am taking y equal to 0. So, can I say x plus 0 will be equal to 4. So, from here, x will be equal to 4. So, the same value you are getting. If you are taking y0, then x will be 4. Now, third value, it's your wish, whatever you want to take. I am taking x as 1. Okay. Case third is, I am taking if x is equal to 1. Put the value over in this equation, x plus y equal to 4. In place of x, 1 plus y equal to 4. So can I say y will be equal to this plus 1 will go that side and minus 4 minus 1, and that is 3. So what is the value of y you have got? Y you have got 3. So if x is 1, then the value of y you have got is 3. Up to this we have done in exercise 4.2. Now we have to draw this on graph. So how we will draw that you have to see now. Yes, now students, this table what I have made from the solution, I have to draw this table on graph as it is written in the question. Draw it on the graph. Okay, so I think all of you know that what is a graph. You have done in 8th class also, green sheet in which there are blocks made. Okay, so I'm not having graph, you people are having, but I'm not having, so I'm making it roughly on the board itself. Okay, so always remember we always have to take the equal gap. You can check it from here. On x-axis, what is the highest number? 4 is the highest, so I have taken 4 as highest. On y-axis, what is the highest number? 4. So I have taken 4. On negative and positive also, you have to make this positive side of x will known as x, negative side will known as x dash. Positive side of y, negative side as y dash. Now first number. Can you see that my first point is 0, 4. You can make it in rough side. What is the meaning of this x equal to 0, y equal to 4? That means 0, 4. So what is the value of x over here? X is 0. X is on x-axis. Where is the 0? Here it is 0. And where is 4? 4 is here. So which point it is? This is your first point. See it properly. Yes, this is your first point. Now second point, 4, 0. So x is 4 and y is 0. So x is 4 means on x-axis 4, y 0 means nothing. So what is the point? This is your 4, 0. You can name it also. This point was 0, 4. And this point is your 4, 0. Now next 1, 3. So when the value of x is 1, at that point the value of y is 3. So what is the value over here? 1, 3. Now join all these 3 points with the help of pencil and scale. See, I'm joining it. You are getting a straight line. This straight line is actually what? So this straight line is actually your equation. What equation you are having? x plus y equal to 4. This line shows the graph of this equation. In this way only, students, you have to do all the three parts also. It is very easy. Okay, try to do it. If you are not able to understand, see the video again. Okay. Yes, students, see the second question. Give equation of two lines passing through. We have to give the equation of two lines which is passing through this point. Okay. If I have to find the line passing through this point, can you see that? How many lines I can draw? First of all, tell me. Yes, there can be so many lines. So the last answer, how many such lines are there? So how many lines can be there? There can be infinitely many lines which can pass through a point, and there is question mark that why it is. So you can say that from a point, how many lines can pass? From a point, infinitely many lines can pass. That means for this particular half answer, what will be the answer? There are infinitely many lines, because from a point, infinitely many lines can pass. Okay, now I'm doing the first part now of this question. Give equation of two lines passing through. Okay, the point is 2, 14. I have to give an equation for this. Okay, so this is, I think, my x, and this is my, yes, y. Very good. Now, can you see that if I'm adding x and y, what I will get? X plus y, 2 plus 16, 14. What I am getting? 16. So what is my first equation? This can be my first equation. Very simple. Now similarly, if you will do y minus x, can you see that if I am making y minus x, what is the value of y over here? 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2 is what? 12. That can be your second equation. Anything, whatever you want to make. Some student can say that, ma'am, can we do 2x? So 2, if you are doing 2x plus y, can you see that 2x means what? 2 into 2, value of x is 2, plus what is the value of y? 14. 2 2s are 4 plus 14. What you are getting? 18. So here what you have to write? 18. This is your third equation. So in this way you can make so many equations over here. But how many equations I have to give? I have to give only 2 examples. Out of these 3 you can take any 2. I think you have understood how we can make equation from a point. We have to take values from the value of point itself. Okay. Yes, students, you can see question number 3rd, that is, if 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. Can you see that this 3, 4 is lying on this equation of the graph? Okay, so if it will lie on this, then it will surely satisfy the equation, that is the value of x from here I can put as 3 from this value and 4 as the value of y, because the first one is x and the second one is y. Why it is happening? Because we can see that it is saying that on this, if this is the graph, what is the graph? 3y equal to ax plus 7. It is saying that this point 3, 4 is lying on this graph. That means this value of x will be 3 over here and the value of y will be 4 over here. Then only it will lie on this. Okay, so since 3, 4 lies on equation on graph of equation 3y equal to ax plus 7. So 3 into what is the value of y from here? 4 equal to a into what is the value of x? 3 plus 7. Okay, 3 4s are 12 equal to a into 3 plus 7. This 7 will go that side. 12 minus 7, and that is 12 minus 7 is 5. So a into 3 is 5. So the value of a from here is 5, and this 3 is in multiply, that side it will go in divide. So what is the value of a you have got? The value of a you have got is 5 upon 3. Understood, students? Okay. Now see the 4th question. It is very, very important question. Okay. You have to see how we will solve it. Okay. What it is saying, you can read from the book also. I have written in the short form the question that for the first kilometer there is a taxi. If you are moving inside that एंड इफ यू विल मूव फॉर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर, अगर आप एक टैक्सी में बैठते हो और पहला किलोमीटर आप ट्रैवल करते हो तो वो टैक्सी वाला आपसे कितने रुपए लेगा, 8 रुपए लेगा। और उसके बाद आप कितनी भी डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करोगे तो उसका वो कैसे फेयर लेगा आपको, 5 रुपए पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से। यानी पहला किलोमीटर तो फिक्स है 8 रुपए, बाकी जितना भी आप ट्रैवल करते हो उसकी ट्रैवलिंग का खर्चा वो कैसे लेगा, 5 रुपए पर किलोमीटर। यानी सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ किलोमीटर जितने भी लोगे आप वो 5 रुपए के हिसाब से ही लेगा। ओके, टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड कितना है, x किलोमीटर है। टोटल फेयर जो बंदा बैठा था टैक्सी के अंदर उसने जो दिया है वो y रुपीज है। तो हमें x और y के बीच में क्या निकालना है, एक रिलेशन निकालना है, एक लीनियर इक्वेशन बनानी है और उसको ग्राफ पे ड्रॉ करना है। तो ये ग्राफ पे ड्रॉ करने वाला काम तो आप करोगे बेटा, और मैं इक्वेशन बनाना आपको बता देती हूँ कैसे इक्वेशन बनाएंगे ऐसी सिचुएशन में। ठीक है, तो आप पहले मुझे बताओ कि टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है। टोटल डिस्टेंस है x किलोमीटर। ठीक है, अब मुझे एक चीज बताओ, x किलोमीटर पहले वो बोल रहा है कि फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए फेयर कितना है, ₹8। ठीक है, आपको x किलोमीटर के लिए फेयर y दे रखा है, लेकिन आप जब क्वेश्चन की स्टार्टिंग में जाते हो तो 1 किलोमीटर का फेयर कितना है, ₹8 है। तो मैं इस x में से अगर मैं 1 किलोमीटर निकाल लूं, ये मेरा 1 किलोमीटर है, तो x में से अगर मैं 1 निकाल लूंगी तो ये जो बच जाएगा ये किलोमीटर कितना होगा, सोच के बताना। x पूरा x था, x में से 1 मैंने ले लिया तो बचा कितना, x माइनस 1। वेरी सिंपल इट इज। ओके, तो आपका, अब आप इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो। 1 किलोमीटर के लिए आपका फेयर कितना है, ₹8 फिक्स है। और इसके लिए कितना फेयर है, इसके लिए आपका फेयर है ₹5 पर किलोमीटर। यानी 1 किलोमीटर अगर आप ट्रैवल करते हो तो 5 रुपए है, लेकिन आप ट्रैवल कितना कर रहे हो, x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर। अब आप देखना, अगर एक पेन का कॉस्ट 5 रुपीज है, सेम यहां पे देखना, किलोमीटर की जगह मैं पेन की बात करती हूँ, एक पेन की कॉस्ट 5 रुपीज है, तो x 10 पेन की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी, x बाद में करेंगे। 1 पेन की कॉस्ट अगर 5 रुपीज है तो 10 पेन की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी, 10 इंटू 5 दैट इज 50। ओके, तो 1 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करने में अगर आपको 5 रुपए देने पड़ते हैं तो x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करने के लिए आपको कितने रुपए देने पड़ेंगे, 5 इंटू x माइनस 1। तो इसी को ही, ये तो मैंने आपको समझा दिया, इसको लैंग्वेज में कैसे लिखेंगे थोड़ा आप देख लो। ठीक है, फॉर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर, फेयर फॉर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस is equal to ₹8, okay, and fare for x minus 1 kilometer distance. Okay, I have made it from here. X minus 1 kilometer distance will be, I think you have understood from here, that will be 5 into within bracket x minus 1, and that will be equal to, solve it, 5 into x 5x minus 5 into 1 5. So total fare will be how much? Total fare will be ₹8 plus 5x minus 5, and just solve it. If you will solve 5 8, can you see that 8 is here and here is minus 5. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 plus 5x. So total fare is how much? 3 plus 5x. But according to question, what is the total fare? Total fare is ₹y. So you can write over here that according to question, your y, that is your total fare is 3 plus 5x. This is your linear equation in 2 variables. What you have to do is, you can see it what I have done. For first kilometer fare ₹8. For x minus 1 kilometer distance, what is the fare? 5 into x minus 1. आपने इसको सॉल्व किया, सॉल्व करके आपने दोनों को प्लस किया तो क्या आया आपके पास, 3 plus 5x टोटल फेयर। लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन टोटल फेयर कितना है, ₹y है, तो यानी कि y will be equal to 3 plus 5x. This is your linear equation in 2 variables. You have to draw its graph on your own. You have to find the 3 values and then show it on the graph. Thank you students. Up to this you have to do. Okay, next we will do in the next video.